What up, big dogs? How y'all doing today, man? Hopefully y'all having a good day, because I'm having a decent day today, because a few days ago, I got the call from the tire shop that they got the wheels in, because they ordered me 2 new wheels. So now the only 2 wheels that was damaged is the ones on, like I told y'all before in the last video, is on the passenger side. So of course, you know, they got good customer service. They recognize, you know, they made a mistake. So they ordered me some new wheels. Got the wheels in, they called me up, let me know they were there, went there, they put the wheels on, and they got their most seasoned tech to put the wheels on, put the tires on the wheels, and of course, no issues, everything looked perfect. So got the car home, so now it's time to basically clean. I'm gonna clean the wheels up a little bit more, and I'm gonna protect them. I'm gonna put the graphite ceramic coat on it, put that on there. So what I'm doing today is I'm gonna do that, clean the wheels up, put that on there, and then I got a couple of accessories that I want to put on the car. So matter of fact, let's go over to the bitch and let's check that thing out. All right, y'all, so this is what we got. So the company that does the tires, also they have like accessory, not what God dog it, man. The company that has the wheels, they also have accessories for the wheels. That's what I was telling y'all about in the last video. So I bought some of their lug nuts, and I got some valve stem caps. Now these are the spiked version of them. So I got them, and I'm gonna tell you, I opened them already and I tried these things out because I wanted to make sure that they screwed on right. But when I looked at them, I don't think I'm gonna go with these. And in a second, I'm gonna show you guys why I'm not gonna go with these. I'm gonna show you what it look like, and you'll see why I'm not gonna go with these. Now, but I will link these in the description if you are interested in something like this to put on your valve stems. So I will be linking these. That's the part number for them and everything, but I'll link them in the description. Now, the lug nuts. So I got one done already, one wheel done, and I got a set of the lug nuts put on there. So, which brought me to another situation, but let me break this down real quick. So you got these, right? See, these are the Motegi ones that I had on the car before. They held up pretty nice, but as you can see on there, if it's catching it on camera or not, there's a whole lot of like damage to them. And that is because of this. This is the key that comes with these. And if you don't put tape around here, but see, tape is only going to do so much. At some point, that tape is going to get ruined, and you're not going to notice it unless you change the tape in here every time you use this thing. You're going to have this issue. So now that brings me to the new one. So the new one, because as you can see right here, I already put tape in here. I put blue tape in there to try and help protect these as much as I can. So these are what I got. I got these from Circuit Performance. They're the black ones, and this one's more like a socket. Now I know it's a weird size socket that you really can't buy, but like I said, it's a socket. Now my problem with this, I'm gonna use these for now, but I got an idea for getting some different. So I'm gonna get some different lug nuts. These aren't that expensive. I'm gonna get some better ones. I'll let y'all know about that whenever I do get those. But the difference between these two, this one being a socket, so you have to use a socket on this. This one, you can use a socket, and you can use your like a breaker bar right here, or you can use a socket over this to take the bolts on and off, take the lug nuts on and off. This one, you can only use a 1/2 inch like breaker bar pretty much, or a ratchet, or whatever you're gonna use to break these loose. I kind of got a problem with that, because now I'm gonna have to carry this, something like this, in the car if I need to change my wheels or anything like that, or have an issue. But like I said, I got the tape on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these bad boys on there, and matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all my issue with these. So let's go take a look at that real quick. All right, so here we go. So this is kind of what I want you guys to take a look at real quick. This right here, you see how that sticks out, how much this valve stem sticks out right there. And that's what that looks like. So let's pop this off of here. Now, we put on one of these guys right here, and you screw it on there. Okay, so look at this. 2 problems with this. One, look how far it sticks out. It sticks out pretty far, and this is all the way down on there. It doesn't cover up this little brass section right here. So it's like I want it to be all black. But this is cool. If it went down a little bit further, it probably wouldn't look as if it stuck out as much, but it does. So that's kind of the reason why I'm not gonna go with these. I mean, that sticks out. Look how far that sticks out, dog. That's a lot. So I'm not gonna go with these. I'm just gonna keep the stock stuff on there, because to me it's gonna look cleaner if I do it that way. So I'm gonna clean all this up, get all of that stuff off of there. And what I'm gonna use to do that is I got Adam's wheel and tire cleaner. So I'm gonna soak the wheel up a little bit, spray this on there, let it sit. Try and eat away at the whatever's like little brake dust is on there, because as soon as I got the tires put on there, drove the car home, that was it. It just sat, because I didn't want to have the stuff all piled up in there, so it'd be easier to clean. So I'm gonna do that, clean this up, let it sit on there, and then I'm gonna use me a light bristle brush, like what I got in here. Got a brush and a glove that's really meant for cleaning tires and stuff like that. It's got a little semi-rough side, and then a softer side. And then I'm gonna use this soft bristle brush to try and get in the nooks and the crannies. Clean this thing up, dry it off, and then we're gonna go over to the bench, and then we'll go through that other process.
Hey, what up, say? One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. Yeah. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Did it all by myself, I don't need nothing. Dropped 100 songs, I'ma keep coming. Remember times they wouldn't reply, now they all hit me like they need something. Labels hit me, now they see something, but I told them all, you ain't seen nothing. I've been putting on the work, and if you ain't sawing with me, you ain't read nothing. How it is, I don't make the calls. Gas it up, shit about to blow, make $1 million. I got 1 million flows, I'm 1 million shit with 1 million goals. Time ticking, now I hear it, dog. I don't say it, but I seen it all. Seen a post and I seen a hate, so when it hit me now, I ignore the calls. No time for it, just being honest. Way back, I said I got it. Same guy, same shit, nothing changed. Set the pockets, money came, I got the profits. Bet it all, put it on us. In the past, I said I'm next, but I'm here now, I was being honest. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deal. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals.
All right, so that's it. So now, all we got to do now is just let these things, let them cure for about 4 hours, and then I'll throw them on the car, and then we'll put the new lug nuts on there. See how them things look on there with all of the, pretty much the black on gray. So it's gonna be 4 hours for me, and maybe 4 milliseconds for y'all. All right, see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, we are back. For me, it's been about 4.5 hours. For y'all, mere seconds. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this wheel on here. I kind of put the other ones on. I still have to torque the front, but I have to let it down in order to do that. But we're gonna throw this other one on with our new lug nuts. And now let's torque them down. And that's a wrap. All right, fam. So that's it. Wheels are on, treated, protected. New lug nuts are on. Got doggy still got this dang on earpiece on. So that's gonna be a wrap for that. So now, what I did is I went on ahead and, during that 4 hours, I scheduled an appointment at 9:15 tomorrow morning to get the alignment done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all with me on that ride. So I'll see y'all tomorrow, and we'll get this alignment done, and we'll see how bad we were in comparison to what they do, and hopefully they don't scratch the wheels with the machine. But I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, y'all. So here we go. Just got back to the house. check out these results. So, I thought it was pretty cool. I was wondering what it was when I drove through it. That's like my actual first time having anything done at the service department at the Subaru dealer. That's the same place where I bought my car from. But you go through the service thing, and it has these two little things in there. This little like padded area that you drive over, where that's actually it's reading your tires, that's pretty wild to me. But if you're looking at this here, and it shows like everything was in the green, everything passed. As far as for the tread tire depth, it read that. And then the only thing that I did fail on when I drove over that thing was the rear toe. It just said my rear toe was out. You know, my total, rear toe was out. So upon that, okay, so now here, and looking at this whole thing, nothing on this whole thing is in red, so I wasn't off that bad, but it did say that my rear toe was off. So they adjusted that, and I want to say I can actually feel that difference now, but that could have been a combination of the tires and then me putting the sway bar and all that on there. That kind of tightened that up a little bit. But this is pretty much where we at. I was green pretty much the whole time. I'm not even gonna begin to tell you I know exactly what all of that means. I just know I don't see no yellow and no red. It was all green before and after. So I'm actually in good shape. So that does it, y'all. So basically, me putting the new wheels and new tires on there didn't really change the alignment too much. But like I told y'all, it did fail driving through that little thing and told me that my toe is off in the rear. But I want to make sure, it's always a good habit to, if you get new tires or you do anything, really if you do anything to your suspension, but if you get new tires or anything like that, it's good to get an alignment. It's always good practice to do that. That way then you make sure you don't prematurely wear out your tires. So, I mean, do I feel like I wasted some money or something like that? No, I don't. At least I have peace of mind in knowing that the alignment on the car is perfect. My tires are gonna last me the way they should. And another cool thing about these tires is that it has alignment wear notification on the actual tire. So I thought that was pretty cool too. But anyway, appreciate y'all, man. Thank you if you made it this far in the video, man. Thank y'all for y'all support, man. I want to make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, hit all so you get notified whenever I put out a video. And until that next video, fam, peace.